Here's an example of how you could use Supervisor's grouping functionality to export all of your required variography information into a single file at once. For this project, I'd like to export all of my continuity models, as well as my back transform models for all assays into a single file. So to do this, I'll start by selecting one of my continuity models and opening up the Component tab over in the Property panel. So this tab contains all of our grouping settings. By default, this is set to group by project and name, which should work in this case. So if I select the continuity model and hold Shift, then we get all three of the continuity models selected at once. So if I click again, they're all here. And we can assign a group ID. So for this case, I'm just going to assign a group ID of 1, and we'll come back to it in just a second. Then we can do the same thing with the back transform model. Select that, it's got the same grouping settings by default. Select all three and give them that same group ID of 1. So now all of them will be grouped only by this ID. So if I click any of these again and hold Shift, now all of the continuity models and the back transform models are selected at once. So from here we can just right click and export as usual, and I'll just save this here. And now if I open it up in Excel, there we go. As you can see, after grouping, I only have to export once to get all of my variography into a single file.